So we're off again today on another adventure, heading to pick ourselves up yet another 180sx. Do I need 4? No, but we have a bit of a few ideas for this one. To the last one we got to swap everything from out into this only because this is slightly less to fix, to put a car together to put on the road. It does have the central sunroof bit cut out, but that can be fixed because we've got 2 sitting home and it's actually easier than what you would think. But yeah, look, we also have a few other ideas. So at this stage, if we can save a few more of these and pass it on to someone who wants a complete car rather than cutting them up, or people who just want bits, or people just seem to be hacking them up at the moment. But I mean, it's what it is. So we will do that. So yeah, on our way. So we're a couple of minutes away, we're only just down the road according to the map. See how it goes with, apparently it's an interesting backing in on this place, so we'll see how that goes. But I don't know whether he's filming how people are with a bit of that. I'm certainly not YouTube famous, so some people are a bit funny about that, but yeah, that's all right. We're almost there. We shall see how we go.
A few moments later.
So we've just left old mate's place. Very lovely gentleman was telling me about some of his stories of the old drift days. They're actually part of a big drift crew, and yeah, really cool trips to Japan to talk about cars, and seems like we've got a lot of interest here. But here she is. There's also prickles on the ground, I didn't realise. Anyway, there's our roof cut out. It's just a pretty easy fix really. It's not too bad. We got all the gear for that, so we can do that. A few interesting things here that I found. No compliance plate obviously. The front of this is actually built different to the other one, so something I want to look at. This one's actually a single piece one, whereas ours is actually in 3 sections through there, so that's something to look at. A couple other cool things. It's the original Japanese stickers on there. And also, what looks like printed out labelling stickers on here. I always really love those cool features that come into some of these cars. You just don't know what you're going to get. The car is in excellent condition. It's been shattered for the last 10 years, stripped out. You know, it's almost a perfect donor for anybody wanting to build a beautiful street car. You keep this off the track, it's just too good for that. It's just about perfect. Aside from the roof, that bit there. but we'll fix that. The only problem with that is finding the sunroof accessories for it. I mean, you can always put a solid sheet steel in and put the bracing back in the middle too anyway, so we can change that out. But yeah, so how's the trip back home? But as we can see, going down this side, very good condition. Yeah, super happy. Good day.